PwC's Metaverse Discovery Workshop has what you need to discover, design, and define your future in the metaverse and other emerging technologies with a direct application to your business. Our community of solvers are with you every step of the way, building trust and delivering value in the next digital world. Discovery workshops cover an extensive range of offerings, including how to design with trust, upfront and throughout, excite customers and build communities, engage and transform your workforce, grow and diversify revenue, and improve operations and reduce costs. By bringing the latest technology to you, alongside a specially crafted team of innovation strategists, creatives, customer experience designers, and workforce transformation consultants, we identify valuable use cases that can then be developed, tested, and deployed, saving you time and money. Your organization's attendees gain a deep understanding of Metaverse and other emerging technologies and how to apply them in our strategic sessions.
We have folks here who haven't even really thought about the applications of some of the technologies that we've experienced in this workshop. And so it's really stimulated the creative juices and given people an opportunity to demystify what the metaverse really is and what the application can be.
What excites me the most about the metaverse is that it's a phenomenal way to combine next generation storytelling, technology, access to millions of people.
Human-led and tech-powered, PwC is a leader in developing the metaverse and deploying it in organizations of every size and in every industry. Wherever you are on your metaverse journey, PwC's global community of solvers can help you explore new sources of value and mitigate risk for your business in this next evolution of our shared digital reality. A metaverse that works for business is quickly evolving, and so are tested strategies to navigate it, ones that can create value right now and for years to come. Learn what the metaverse is today and explore the opportunities of the emerging technologies of tomorrow.